Acebeam decided to make a mini version of their very well successful Acebeam E70. With the titanium edition, you're looking at the very classy looking, excellent build quality EDC flashlight in titanium that not only look gorgeous but also had great performance and overall quite long runtimes, judging that it is still an 18650 flashlight. Hello YouTube! Flashlight Enthusiast here. Today another Acebeam on my channel, this time the S70 Mini. I chose the titanium version because it simply looks cool and I think it's quite unique in this particular area. Without further ado, let's get started. I purchased this one from my own money with some reviewers discount. The box looks like this. It's plain cardboard with a beautiful window showing you the flashlight inside. No stats whatsoever around this, so let's open this up and show you what we've got inside included with the flashlight. First of all, we've got a really nice manual in a nutshell, how to operate the flashlight, what to do before the operations, etc. Very nice touch, I like it. Then we've got the full manual in Chinese and English showing you all the stats, not only operating manual, so I advise you to read this one. Then the warranty card, short power bank style cable, USB to USB-C to recharge the included battery, quality lanyard with Acebeam logo and adjustable length, quite handy, double o-ring replacement in case you need, and last but not least, silica gel, my favorite type of equipment included with the flashlight. The flashlight is simply gorgeous, so I can't wait to take it out of the box and use it. Wow, look at this beauty. I really like the combination of grey titanium stonewash finish and those blue accent of clip, inner tube and even labeling. This really looks nice. I love the attention to detail that Acebeam pays to their products. Before operating though, make sure to remove the dustproof cover from the lens as well as insulation film from the battery. As we already are here, the threads are well made, well greased, and overall machining is excellent. All things aside, remember that this is titanium, so the friction will be higher than those aluminum versions, so make sure you handle it with care. The head side reveal gold plated spring with nice contacts, everything looks just perfect. In the set, you get the included 3100 mAh 18650 battery, Acebeam branded, with built-in USB-C charging port. The charging is as easy as ABC. Simply plug in the USB-C cable into the port in the battery and watch as the red indicator turn into green one when the charging has been finished. The charging is quite fast, as you can see right on the screen, around 2 hours to fully charge the battery without any problem. The flashlight uses inner tube design to make sure that the signal from the tail switch goes directly to the driver. They also use some labeling, just not to get lost in all those details. If you like the titanium flashlight, you will definitely appreciate the Acebeam E70 Mini in this material. The design is simply gorgeous with those grey finish and blue accents, including the tail switch, the clip, the inner tube, but also the labeling. It sports 3 Nichia 519As in 5000K 90 plus CRI version under the standard triple Carclo optic, so the beam is basically just huge hot spot with almost no spill. It is very well known from other Enthusiast constructions and I really appreciate Acebeam does that. We also got this slightly crenulated bezel and good anti-reflective coating on the glass so that you won't scratch the optics easily. With enough effort, you can probably throw out some glow gasket under the optics to make the flashlight even more unique. But also, there are lots of grooves to incorporate thread virals into the flashlight's design. If you remember the original E70, you will definitely know that it is just the downsized version of it. I've got the aluminum version equipped with Gitayan GTFC40 emitter inside the orange peel reflector. Although stonewash finish of the titanium E70 Mini provides an excellent grip for your bare hands. I'm afraid it is not very gentle for your pockets, especially with such clip design. I definitely would like to see some improvements here, as E70 original version has really nice clip that won't tear your packets down, as the clip is quite stiff in my opinion. It can also be placed into the other side of the flashlight here, and also got a lanyard attachment here. The blue tail switch provides some complete access to all the modes, and as aligned with the E70, double click will turn on the flashlight. To turn off the flashlight, one click is sufficient. When the flashlight is off, hold the tail switch to enter the lowest mode, which is, in my opinion, not that low at all. It should be called low rather than ultra low or moonlight. Then hold the switch to cycle between low, medium 1, medium 2 and high, and double tap for turbo mode. Double tap again to return to the previously used mode. Hold again to go back into the loop, into the low mode. Triple click will give you strobe mode, which is quite fast. One click will turn the flashlight off. There's also a lockout possibility. Just hold the switch down until it enters the ultra low. You can keep holding until the flashlight blinks a couple of times, and now you have the flashlight locked down. But to be honest, double click for turn off acts as a very quick and efficient lockout, and I really like it. Here are my lumen measurements of the Acebeam E70 Mini in titanium. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. So here is the turbo runtime graph of the Acebeam E70 Mini in titanium. As you can see, I've measured around 1676 lumens at startup. As you can see, after 1 minute and 7 seconds, we still got around 1441 lumens before the step down over the course of 15 seconds to around 350 lumen level. As you can see, it could sustain around 365 lumens for around 3 hours, with further step downs to increase the runtime. As you know, the titanium is not the best material for flashlight because of the reduced conductivity, so my pyrometer measured around 30 degrees Celsius, but actually the flashlight got a little bit hotter, but nothing too extreme. Moving on to the high mode, here I measured around 773 lumens at startup, and after 4 minutes and 2 seconds we've got over 701 lumen before the step down, quite quick one over the course of 5 seconds to around 348 lumen level. Here in the high mode, the flashlight was able to sustain around 350 lumens for around again 3 hours, with further step downs to increase the runtime. The measured temperature was actually the same, so nothing crazy, but judging that it is equipped with 3 Nichia's 519As, 5000K 90 plus CRI, it is definitely a good output. Mind that aluminum version should have much better sustained output and also heat conductivity with better max output at the start. These are the flashlights I will be comparing Acebeam E70 Mini to in the Beamshots section. So we've got Convoy S21D with 4 Nichia's 519A 4500K, the original Acebeam E70 with GTFC40 emitter 4500K, and then last but not least the Armitech Prime C2 Pro modified to the XHP 50.3 high intensity, again 4500K 90 CRI. All in all, I consider Acebeam E70 Mini a great EDC option. In titanium, it offers a reduced output, but on the other hand, it does not get that hot quickly, and the reduced output also increases the overall runtime, even on higher modes. Obviously, with Nichia's 519As, you cannot expect great efficiency, but you get rewarded with ultra-high CRI and perfect rosy beam. The flashlight looks just gorgeous with those blue accents, and I feel that it is a worthy addition to any flashlight enthusiast collection. On things that I would definitely improve is the pocket clip that won't tear your pockets, as well as a little bit of increased output, because compared to other competitors, I get the impression that it is just too dim in some scenarios, especially on turbo output. Nevertheless, highly recommending Acebeam E70 Mini to you guys if you're looking for a classy titanium edition of the Acebeam flashlight with ultra high CRI, beautiful rosy beam, and unique looks. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more videos to come and to support the algorithm of this channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I always try to answer them all. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next one.